In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log an email in Salesforce, which involves recording an email interaction against a contact, lead, account, or other records, so it seamlessly appears in the activity or history section. Whether you're using the Salesforce Classic or the Lightning interface, this guide will help you navigate through the process smoothly. To start, open Salesforce and locate the specific record you wish the email to be associated with. This could be a contact or a lead, depending on whom the email interaction involves. Once you've identified the correct record, you'll want to ensure you are on that record's page. On this page, your next task is to find the activity timeline or section if you're operating in Salesforce Lightning. If you're using Salesforce Classic, look for the activity history-related list. These are the spots where activities are tracked and logged, providing a history of all interactions associated with that record. Now, depending on the user interface you're working with, the options may slightly differ, but the essence remains the same. You need to decide how you'll log the email. If your intention is to send an email directly from Salesforce, you'll likely see an option labeled Send Email. Selecting this will allow you to compose and send an email directly within Salesforce. If you've chosen this route, fill in your email details just like you would with any standard email. Enter the recipient's address, set a subject line, write your message in the body, and attach any relevant files you might need to include. Once you're satisfied with your email, hit Send or Save. After doing this, the email will automatically show up as an activity under that specific record in Salesforce. Now, let's say you've received an email sent from outside of Salesforce, and you need to log this interaction within the system. One popular method to accomplish this is by forwarding the email or using BCC to bring it into Salesforce. This ensures that even though the action took place outside of Salesforce, the interaction still gets logged against the record in question. Moreover, many find that utilizing integrations with Salesforce enhances this process. Integrations can help streamline communication between your email client and Salesforce, thus automatically keeping track of emails and interactions without requiring additional manual effort. With these steps, you have a reliable way to ensure that all critical email communications are logged and available within Salesforce, keeping your records up to date and accessible for future reference or analysis. It's all about ensuring thorough and efficient tracking of your engagements, saving you time, and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Keep practicing these steps, and over time, logging emails in Salesforce will become an intuitive part of your workflow.